Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix iMessage indexing issue in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your iPhone. Restart your phone, it can fix minor glitches. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, then disable and re-enable your iMessage. Then simply click on settings and then scroll down in last, and then click on apps and then scroll down and click on messages, and here you disable iMessages and then re-enable your iMessages. After doing this procedure, it will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.